Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss how to make your thesis writing easy using AI tools. So here we are going to discuss general procedure to write thesis and what are the important tips while writing thesis, and also what are the AI tools can be used to make your thesis writing easier. Let us go on to today's video. So this is the general procedure to write thesis. Select your research topic and which aligns your interest. Develop your research plan and make your research methodology, data collection and analysis methods. Conduct research, collect data through experiments, surveys, interviews and other appropriate methods. Analyze the data and make results, trends, patterns and conclusions. So in this, the main objective is that write the thesis. The structure of your thesis with an introduction, literature survey, methodology, results and discussions. Write in a clear and concise manner and follow your program's formatting guidelines. So this is the thing we have to keep in mind while writing thesis. Many of you will be published a paper while preparing a thesis. Most of your ideas and writing skills will be went through your research paper, publishing in your research article. So in order to write thesis briefly, the AI tools will be very useful for you to write the thesis. So here I am telling three different tools to write this thesis better and easier, and your time the time for your thesis writing will be reduced by using these AI tools. So these are the important tips to write your thesis. So structure your thesis properly, that is very important. So when you structure your thesis properly, you can write as soon as possible. The time taken for you will be very less to write your thesis, and also you have to prepare your thesis according to your examiner expectation. So you have to see the thesis related with your work and also collect the information regarding that, and you have to follow that thesis pattern which will be best for your examiner expectations. So that is learn from others and check for your logic and clarity. The statement you are giving in your thesis must be fundamentally right, and it has to justify the work you have done. That is what very important. And ask for a feedback. So you can give thesis to your friends or your supervisor or your colleagues. They can make a they ask them to give a feedback regarding your thesis, and proofread your work. This is very important. You have to proofread your work. That is, you have to just sit down and read your thesis properly, and you have to self-satisfy your thesis. That is very important. Let us go on to our AI tools. So first we are going to ChatGPT. So already we made many videos in ChatGPT. So for making your literature survey and also introduction part, so and also table part, that is, you can convert the tables into a theoretical content. As far as your thesis is concerned, you have to write briefly. Everything you have to write briefly. So for that you can use this ChatGPT tool. For example, I am going to make a thesis writing on battery management. So I can type recent trends in battery management. So this is just an example. For example, you are doing a battery charging unit. So for that you can use these points. So collecting these points, and you can copy and paste in your Word, and you can check for your grammar, and also you can check. Actually in ChatGPT, many of the problem they are facing is it is not giving perfect content. That is not the case. You can check at once, because don't just copy and paste the content given by ChatGPT. Just you have to copy and paste. You have to analyze whether it will applicable for your work or not, or else you can paraphrase that using the another tools. We can use QuillBot a best paraphraser. So you can also grammatically you can check the content using this QuillBot also. And also you can use Elicit. So this is also an fantastic tool, fantastic AI tool, especially for your research. So in that many options will be given in this tasks. So you can go to this task and you can use Elicit also for your thesis writing. So as far as my experience is concerned, you in ChatGPT, the content given by ChatGPT will be very brief and it will be generalized content. In Elicit, you can get the specific content you can want. So accordingly, you can use this ChatGPT and Elicit wisely. So before going for a plagiarism check, you can replace the sentence using QuillBot also. So thereby you can don't want to search in net for long time. So while thesis writing, people used to spend more time on changing the sentence. That is many self plagiarism also will come. So on that intent, you can use this ChatGPT tool for a generalized contents, and also for specific contents you can use Elicit. So thereby you can get an idea about the content you can take that content and you can use that for your thesis writing also. So this is the important thing in thesis writing. So this can reduce your time while using these AI tools. This can be very. So by using these AI tools wisely, you can reduce the time of writing your thesis. That is the main important thing. Most of them will take more time in thesis writing. So after the submission of synopsis, people used to take more time on thesis. So by using this ChatGPT and Elicit QuillBot, you can easily write the thesis as soon as possible. Use ChatGPT for the brief content, and you can use that content for your thesis writing accordingly. So thank you for watching our videos. Do subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.